is that?
When we get, we have to get our wristbands first.
Look at that, dear. We're gonna get in. Horseshoe. Oh, Daddy's here. Alright, come here, baby.
Mama, we get a horseshoe.
Yeah, that's horseshoe.
Over here. Okay. Pasok. Gutom ka na? Kaagad? Okay, so yun.
That's a lot of too. Mama, how many?
Oh, tickets. Collect tickets.
Oh, you guys are going to have fun. So 1, 2, 3. Got it. Okay.
Thank you.
A lot of tickets in here.
There's a lot
A lot of tickets, yes.
Mama, how many?
Thousands.
Mama, how many tulips there are? There's 1,000 of tulips?
Yeah, tulips.
1,000 tulips.
Yes.
Wow.
Anybody in the way?
Mama, a scarecrow, Mama.
Scarecrow.
Scare bird. Scare bird.
Police patrol.
They can't get us to the police station, Mama. Oh, there's another scarecrow. Mama, there's another scarecrow.
Yes.
There's 2 scarecrows.
Yes.
There's 2 scarecrows. Oh, there's another scarecrow.
Yes.
Which way we're going? I don't know. You're gonna.
Michael, let's go to the left.
Here.
Yes. Oh, it's talking, Dion. Look, talking structure. Look, it's moving.
Yes, let's go play.
Michael, come here.
Here's a real head scratcher for you. Tulips are the most popular flower to send on Valentine's Day. True or false? You have 10 seconds before the buzzer. Good luck.
Whatever. Wrong.
I'm afraid they are not the most popular. They are actually the second most popular. Roses are still the most popular to send on Valentine's Day. But if you want to stand out, I say pick your sweetheart up a dozen tulips. True or false? Tulips are annuals, meaning
Yes,
they
it's
only
annual.
grow for 1 year. You have 10 seconds before the buzzer.
It's false. Tulips are perennials.
Tulips are
Perennials.
returning year after year.
Wow, they're so small.
Every tulip variety grows back well each year. And a tulip that has been cut will lose some of its vigor in the very next year.
Mama, let's go play all day.
True or false?
Let's go, baby.
Tulips
Oh, let's go na. Tulips are perennials. Oh, let's go up there. Nak. gonna go the flowers first.
And next we're going to play all day long.
Yes.
Let's see all the flowers, or we're going to see a little bit of flower. Mama, how many flowers do we want to see?
A lot of flowers.
Walk around.
Look at this. You want to play here?
Michael, this way.
Wow, he's stronger.
Yes. Michael, go picture there.
Mama,
Go over there.
Mama,
Michael, go over
look
there.
over there.
Later. Go over there first. I'm gonna take video. Michael, where are you? Okay. Michael, smile. Michael. Baby, baby start.
The baby's over here.
Yeah, baby join you.
Baby's over here.
Oh, almost 3.
Please.
3, yes. Okay, let's go to the flowers. Flowers, tulips. Oh, wow. Sophia, let's go, baby. Oh, not in there. This way. Michael, let's go. What? Ah, Sophia, you're wrong way. Tractor? You wanna ride tractor over there? Oh, go tractor ride.
There's 4 tractors.
Go, Michael, go. Right, so go, Michael. All right, the tractor. Oh, look at that flowers there.
These are getting home early.
We go on the other side.
Take my hand. Take off. Take my hand.
Hey, look. Michael, go first.
Which is going to take a picture of you on the John Deere.
That's spin the wheel. Let's go, spin the wheel.
My mommy.
Michael!
Michael, look at me.
All right, come on, Michael, let's go. Come on, honey.
Let's go to another tractor.
Okay, let's go get this water.
Come on, baby, let's go.
There's
honey.
more flowers to see.
And
Try.
Mama, there's tractors all over the place. At Tulip's farm. At Tulip's farm. Mama, you can go through over here.
Oh, there's a purple tractor too.
Yes. I think we can ride it.
What?
I think we can ride it.
Let's go over there.
How do you get up here?
Micah, always at the back. Come here. Always at the back.
The back?
Yeah. To climb, always at the back, of course. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.